Is this the best upgrade for under £500 on your G8X BMW? Today we have Stuart's wonderful looking brand new G81 Touring in for this sub £500 upgrade, which is the Eibach Pro front lowering springs. So on this particular car, they're potentially going to give us up to 25mm drop, which is going to correct that massive arch gap we've got at the front. So it should completely enhance the look of the car. Obviously, Eibach, the name goes without saying, German made, German quality, which is fantastic. Fitted this to our car before. Front only because that's the only really is the only bit that needs rectifying. Whilst we're here today, Stuart's taking the opportunity to fit a full all-round 13mm spacer kit, as well as our carbon front arch guards, so they're going to go on whilst I'm in there as well. These springs supplied and fitted, all for sub £500.